Microsoft OneDrive is a top choice for syncing files across devices, where duplicate files can disrupt your workflow. Whether caused by sync conflicts, offline edits, or multiple devices, duplicates can clutter your storage and slow you down. Today, let's understand why duplicates happen, how to fix them, and how to prevent them in the future. Duplicate files usually appear in two ways. OneDrive adds the device name when syncing offline edit, creating duplicates, or identical files appear multiple times due to sync conflicts. This can happen because of offline editing followed by sync, using OneDrive on multiple devices without proper sync. Concurrent edits cause sync conflicts, corrupted or outdated cached credentials. There are multiple methods to resolve duplicate files. First, on Windows, open your Control Panel, User Accounts, Credential Manager, Manage Windows Credentials. You can remove credentials related to OneDrive or Microsoft Office and restart your computer and sign into OneDrive again. Another method is to unlink your OneDrive account and relink it, and when you relink it, just carefully choose the folders to avoid overlapping. Another method is to use a duplicate finder tool like Cloud Duplicate Finder. Just connect your OneDrive account, search for duplicates, and once you find the duplicates, you can delete them as you wish or move them to a different folder. You can avoid duplicates by making sure you use descriptive and dated file names and schedule regular backups instead of manual uploads.